Let's face it, when many of us see, the fashions on the runways, us women over 50, and many women for that matter, know that we won't be wearing those ghastly looks. But they are setting trends, and sooner or later you're going to see kind of the scaled down versions in the store. So today I have 5 trends that I really like for 2026 and that are wearable. And let's start with trend number 1. Slim jeans are back. Yay! Did they ever leave? To tell the truth, I never could go for those wide leg or barrel jeans. Now, unfortunately for many of you, this does not mean skinny jeans are in, but they are calling the trend pencil jeans or straight slim jeans. And of course, my favorites are the NYDJ, not your daughter's jeans, Sherry Slim jeans. And last time I checked, they were on sale. I love how they have great stretch without getting out of shape and a tummy control panel that's not tight but does the job. I prefer a darker wash for the slimming effect, and they also come in petite sizing. I match them with this fun cable knit sweater for around $40 with pockets, and of course my favorite Skechers sneakers that are hands-free slip-ins, and last time I checked, they were on sale too. And as always, I'm going to have the sweater, the jeans, the sneakers, and a lot of the other items that I'm showing in this tutorial underneath the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find a section that's deals of the day. And right now, you're going to find an awful lot of bargains there, so enjoy. But for right now, let's get into trend number 2. It's faux fur everything. And although it's trending big in 2026, the next 3 items I'll be showing can last in your wardrobe for years to come. Jacket 1 looks like a designer brand, and the faux fur collar is full and looks like the real thing. Although the description on Amazon says faux leather, it's more of a faux suede shell. And check out this cozy lining. And I also love how it's belted to give me a feminine look for under $7 and in lots of more colors to size XXL. This is definitely a showstopper and an elegant addition to your winter wardrobe. And now for something a little more casual. This cozy jacket will get you through those freezing days with a beautiful faux fur lined hood, incredibly warm lining, pull-in belt, and the shell is 100% cotton and it goes up to 3XL, and last time I checked, it was under $50. And last but not least, keep this beautiful cape handy for when you get dressed up and want something chic and warm to finish your elegant look. At less than $50, it's a go-to for me for many fancy events. Now, of course, I showed all of those coats in black, but I've got lots of other coats, and I tried different colors like navy and green, and I kind of encourage you to do that as well. Also, that cape, it comes in red, and that would be really bold. Wow, you could really make an entrance for that. But let's look at trend number 3, and talking about bold, let's look at this jewelry. Cuff bracelets are back in style, and I love this one for just $10. There's also a silver version available at my Amazon storefront. A chain necklace goes well with this, and that's under $20. And of course, the hoop earrings that have backs on them for easy on and off. But if you want a necklace that I often get complimented on, how about this one, designed by Betsy Johnson? And last time I checked, it was just around $30. It goes with a fancy dress or even a white top and jeans. And if you get it, I hope you love it as much as I do, and you get compliments too. And that beautiful lace dress that I wore in the last clip, it's available for around $50, which brings me to my next trend, and trend number 4 is lace. Lace dresses, lace camisoles, lace tops. Let's take a look. Here is one of my favorite lacy tops, and since it's in white, it'll go with just about anything. The eyelets are very small, so it's not see-through, and the lacy V-neck is simple and feminine. The puff sleeves are stylish and romantic, and you get all this for around $15. Another option is this beautiful lacy skirt that I love so much that I bought it in 3 other colors. It has an elastic waistband, and I also get compliments when I wear them. They are around $30 and so chic and elegant, and the size guide says one of the sizes stretches to a 3XL. I love wearing a leather and lace kind of look with this, and this faux leather jacket and this skirt is one of my go-to looks. And this jacket is around $60, and it also looks fabulous with a pair of jeans. And by the way, if you like videos like this on fashion and you also love makeup and you're a woman over 50, I've got lots of inspirational messages for you as well. So don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And don't forget, measure yourself, know your own measurements, and also look at every size chart. Pretty well everything online has a size chart, and make sure you compare your measurements with the ones on the size chart before you order. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where I'm going to have another inspirational message for you. But let's talk about colors, and the Pantone color for 2026 is like a cloud white, and that's not very exciting for fashion for me. But other colors that will be trending are the pastels, and we're talking about cobalt blue, we're talking about bold reds, even bold yellows will be trending. But one of the colors that you're really going to see a lot of, and I'm really excited about this, is icy blue. Let's take a look. I love how this color just livens up my look and my eyes, and this Chanel style tweed blazer is perfect over a pencil skirt or even a pair of jeans. It's absolutely lovely for just around $53, and it goes to size XXL. It's lined, and while we're at it, I might as well show you my favorite trench coat. Again in the icy blue, and less than $60. It comes in 11 other colors, and a good trench coat like this that is 95% cotton and windproof will always be trending. Now, as usual, I've sifted through so many of the trends and the runway looks, and I found some of the items that I would absolutely wear. And I think that the beginning of the year is a great time to buy yourself something new, add something fun to your wardrobe, maybe something romantic and lacy, or maybe something bold and dare to wear red. The point is that it's another year, and time really does seem to fly by, doesn't it? So why not buy yourself something new and feel a little bit more uplifted? And as you look and take the last look in the mirror before you leave your home, you're going to say, I look good and I feel good too. And I know it's important for me, and it's probably important for a lot of you out there that are following me. And by the way, thank you so much for following me last year, the year before. A lot of you have been with me since the very beginning, and I just appreciate that so much. But as I was saying, you know, I love to be a beacon of light, to show others that growing older doesn't mean that we just give up on our looks and you know, the way we feel. Let's share our big smile with people. Let's say hello. And by all means, let's continue to be loving our age.